At DeBrew, we've been serving customers since 1985. With an experienced staff, world-class tools, and top-notch customer service, DeBrew is your one-stop shop for all auto repairs. We service all makes and models of cars, but our specialty is foreign cars and rebuilding vehicles from the 1940s to the 1960s. DeBrews can work on your vehicle's AC system and diagnose any engine problem. If it's a basic scheduled automotive maintenance issue or a complete engine swap, DeBrew has the ASE certified technicians to get the job done right the first time. DeBrew's integrity, honesty, and quality of work have led to its reputation and longevity amongst Pensacola residents. Come and experience the DeBrew difference today. 850-477-3317.